Hi everyone, thank you so much again for stopping back by my channel. This is Simpy Kiwi. This is a tutorial on how to do your own nail art decal for beginners. If you like this manicure thus far, please stay tuned. These are the following items I am using in this manicure. Here I'm just using an old oatmeal lid from a container that I had, and I'm just applying the figure paints Pixie dust. I'm applying that generously to the palette. Next, I'm just applying the Funky Fingers polish to the palette here. And as you can see, it's beginning to spread because that polish from Pixie dust is not dry, so don't allow it to dry. And now I'm applying the Kleancolor polish. I love these polish combinations. They're so shimmery and pretty. And then also, this reminds me of the ocean or the mermaid. So these colors work well together. I then got my dialing tool and just started swirling it and drawing some designs here just to give it some kind of pattern to the decal. But of course you can do whatever you choose, chevrons, whatever you like. And that's the completed one. I did apply, once this dried a bit, clear top coat of the Wet n Wild. And this is where you can see how those were with the clear top coat. This helps it to remain more pliable when you do put the clear top coat on. I didn't use the decals until the next day, so I did put them in this small photo album that I had between the plastic pages, and they do keep very well. It keeps the decals more pliable. They don't dry out as fast. So if you don't want to do it that night, that's one option for you to do to keep them from drying out. And now I'm just cutting out the decals so they can, fit my nail. I'm just shaping them to my nails in each and every nail. This is a good thing for you to do before you start doing your actual manicure. Just have everything prepped and ready before you got started. It makes it a little bit easier. I'm not gonna lie to you, decals are very time consuming. They do take a lot of time. Of course, you have to do the decal, start the decal, let it dry a bit, and cut them out before you get started with applying them. Here I am applying yellow stopper. This is to give it a tacky finish to the nail because my base color had already dried. So at this point you need something for the decal to adhere to. And as you can see, if I have not already told you, that my nails were severely damaged, so I had to really cut them all the way back and start over. So I'll probably show you my journey as they continue to grow. By the time I got to this hand, I was just tired, and this nail is so short on this ring finger till I didn't want to fuss with doing a decal on this nail, so I'm just doing some side swipes of the colors that I had with this manicure. And I did go ahead and complete this hand by doing the middle finger with the decal. I used an orange wood stick dipped in acetone to try to melt away those edges, the excess off of the edges. And also I will be, as you can see in a moment, I will be cutting that portion that I don't need off that free edge, since my nails are so short now. The cleanup is time consuming. It really is. But the results are pretty once you're done. I mean, this is great for people who are not very well with freehand nail art and want a pretty design. You can do this with decals, any kind of design, so that will be easier for you guys. Here I'm just trying to melt the edges away. I did put acetone on my orange wood stick, so I'm just pressing that down to get those edges to come off of the edge. I didn't show each and every bit because this video would have been so long with the cleanup portion of it, but you get the gist of it. So this is the completed mani. You let me know what you think. If you like this, let me know. Just comment in the description box what you like of this manicure. You guys, thank you so much again for watching. As always, I really appreciate your support and continued support. You all have a wonderful day, and you guys be blessed. Bye.